Hey, what's up? So today I'm going to teach you how to snowboard on steep slopes. Now I'm here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina at the Cataloochee Ski Area. And honestly, like this Black Diamond Ronda upper, oh my gosh, it's more like a dark blue. I mean, it's a blue-black. It's the Black Diamond of what we have here in North Carolina. Not like out in Colorado or out west, but it's pretty steep. And so I'm going to show you how to get onto your heels and toes, because that's all what it's about. Is getting onto your heels, putting on the brakes a little bit. You're gonna pick up some speed, and then you're gonna get onto your toes. So don't worry about crashing or falling, because it's actually easier to be on a steep slope making these turns because your body's gonna be more upright. So we're gonna get off this lift in just a moment, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so before we get started, it's always a little complicated getting off the chairlift or getting off the ski lift if it's your very first time. So just remember, when you're about to get off, you're gonna lift that high bar, you're gonna put your backhand on the seat, and you're slowly gonna push yourself off. When I put my foot on the board, I'm either gonna kind of have it to the top, and I'm gonna get onto my toes, or I'm gonna have my heel towards the edge, and I'm gonna get onto my heels. Or if I'm going flat down, I'm gonna put my foot flat on towards the edge. The stomp pad is not bad. You can put these diamond or pyramid studs on there, or you can put a nice big flat stomp pad, and it's gonna help you get a little bit more grip. So we're about to get off the chairlift. I got my hand here. I'm gonna transition it to the seat, and then I'm pushing myself off. My knees are soft, and we're good. So always keep your knees soft, and you're pushing your hand back off to get off the lift. All right, so we're at the top of the hill, and I'm gonna show you how to navigate or how to snowboard down a steep slope. So really, it's all about getting onto your heels and toes, because when you're going down a steep slope, it's gonna be scary. You're gonna feel like you're bombing down the mountain. And what you do not wanna do is you don't wanna lean back, because you're gonna wipe out. So we're gonna put all that weight into our front leg, and we're gonna start going down. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos on how to turn, how to stop, getting on and off the chairlift, navigating the bunny slopes, watch all those videos first, because you shouldn't just go down a Black Diamond or a very steep slope on your first day. So, we're gonna put our hand on the ground, we're gonna push ourselves up, we're in a squatted position. And as you can see, when I first start going down, just stay on your heels a little bit. As you can see, I'm just coasting. This is a heel side slip. You want to kind of assess it and just start sliding on your heels, okay? Now, when I'm about to get on my toes, it's gonna get real scary real fast, but that's okay. Embrace the speed, and you're gonna get into a toe slide. So we're on our heels. I'm gonna put all that weight into my front leg, lean into it, and whip it around real quick. So here we go. So we're coming down. Weights in the front leg. There we go. No big deal. You can even jump up and down a few times lightly to kind of get your balance a little. So now, this is a toe side slip. We're just here. We're on our toes, and we're sliding back. Now, you can see it's pretty damn steep. So I'm looking down, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put all that weight into my front leg. I'm going to lean into my hip. I'm going to point where I want to go. My hips, my shoulders, my head, we're all going to go in alignment, and we're going to rotate into a heel slide. So put that weight into that front leg, whip it around, and then boom, we're right back onto our heels again. And that's all you're doing to curb off speed. We're going from our heels into our toes. So don't be afraid of the Black Diamond. Get some practice down the greens and the blues, and then make your way in. But you can see, I'm just chilling. So if you're sliding on your heels, you're either going on a heel side slip, or if we're on our toes, boom, we're on a toe side slip. And you can just kind of cruise here. When you're first doing this, you just want to get that balance. Make sure you stretch out your calves, make sure you loosen up your shins, foam roll, so that way your legs are warmed up. And again, that's all there is to it. I'm gonna put that weight onto my front leg. It's gonna get real fast. And then I'm back onto my heel. And I'm sliding. And then make some big swoopy, long left and right. So I'm going left, I'm coming down, pull my toes, see, pointing, and I'm going across. And I'm gonna whip it around again, all that weight to that front leg, boom, and I'm on my heel. Now it's a little choppy out here, but it's not too bad. So as you can see here, it's about to get into a blue. That was the steepest part of the mountain. So now we're getting into the blue, but again, if you're feeling scared, just rock it on your heels, no big deal, no one's gonna judge you, okay? And then put the weight onto the front leg, whip it around, and then boom, look up the mountain. And I'm on my toes again. Now you may want to put the weight into the other leg so you can slide the other way, okay? So look, I'm rocking side to side. Wherever you want to go, put that weight into that leg, slide side to side. If I want to go to the other side on my toes, even if you can only go regular, or if you can only ride goofy or switch, no problem. Just put that weight into the leg and into the direction you want to go. So we're going down, we're using our hands, we're pointing where we want to go, getting onto our heel, we're whipping it down, putting on the brake. See that? I didn't hit that person. So you make sure that you watch my video on how to stop with a snowboard, or you could collide with a poor, innocent young kid, and you don't want to do that. So again, I know I'm repeating the same thing over and over, but it's repetition, repetition, repetition. That's how you're gonna get good at it. So you can see it's a little steep, right? Little steep, we're coming down. But again, like I always say, embrace the speed. So let's go down, use our hands. Whip it around. Boom. With your hands. Back to our heels. Head, hips, shoulders, all those little hips. Whip it around. And we're on to our toes. And now we're going towards the blue run, okay? So, I hope this video helped you navigating down the Black Diamond slope. Let me know in the comment section down below, how was this video? What other videos you would like to see? Because the whole main reason I made this video today was someone asked me, how do I go down a Black Diamond? So I made it. So if there's any other videos you would like to see, just let me know. And so if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and you hit that bell, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss my latest content. And until next time, I'll see you soon.
I got this, I will not quit, man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone, it's just a matter of time, before I'm over the climb, and moving under my prime, just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking, dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping, it's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die, wish I could slow down time, and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest,